Hey there mga my loves, Gemini. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in the channel. So bago natin simulan na reading ninyo, reminders everyone that this is not for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think ay for you, and kung feel mo na reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might really for you. And syempre, wala tayong gender dito, by lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here, of course. So, yan, tingnan na natin Gemini kung anong meron dito for you guys. Spirits and angel guides, messages for Gemini, please. Parang lagi kayong tampulan ng chismis, no? Lagi kayo pinag-uusapan mga babes na mga chismosa sa kanto, or sa trabaho, or kung saan man yan, no? Pagod na kayo to deal with them. Okay? Nakikita ko rito na sumuko na kayo sa kanila, wala na kayong pakialam sa kung sino-sino may mga pinag-uusapan kayo rito kasi mga pabigat lang sila sa inyong life. Tama naman. Diba? May sarili-sarili naman sila mga buhay rito. Pero favorite topic ka nila, siguro kasi they find you really interesting or mas interesante kasi yung buhay mo kaysa sa mga buhay nila. Yan, nakita ko dito. Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi tayo mga chismosa eh. Ayan. Diba? Maybe they find your life, no, more interest. Kaya naman pala. Because you're having your own cake and you're eating your own cake. King of Coins energy, yan yung energy mo, babes. Okay? So, nakita ko rito na mukhang meron ka ritong natatamasa, no, na hindi naman ganun kabilis na pag-angat, pero nakikita nila na merong improvement at mukhang umaangat ka. No? Gradual, slowly, okay? Pero nakikita nila yung parang progress mo. Okay? Yung improvement ng life mo rito in terms of your stability. No? Siguro, yung bahay ninyo, no, unti-unti mo na napapa-finishing, o kaya nagpalit kayong bubong, yung mga ganyan. No? Nakikita nila na may mga pagbabago. Kaya naman pala mga chismosa to. Yeah, unti-unti mo kasi, no, na natutupad rito yung mga pangarap mo. Siguro sinisimulan mo sa mga maliliit na bagay, no? Naman mga chismosa. Mga small details rin mga tinitingnan ng mga yan. Diba? Sinikita ko dito. Yeah. Pero you're not paying attention to them. Lumunok. Pero diretso kasi yung salita eh. Yeah, meron talaga dito, new beginning kayo. Na maliit pa lang yung hawak ninyong pentacle, pero look at your background. Diba? The sun is really shining so brightly here, okay? And I'm seeing a lot of greens and yellows. At maganda itong mga kulay na ito because this gives us this kind of sign and clues right here that your life is ascending. Yan, paakyat yung mga waves, no? Yung mga progress, changes sa buhay mo. Yeah, look at that. You're now holding 2 coins. Sabi ko sa inyo eh, from the ace to the 2 of coins, I can see that you're juggling money right here. Juggling opportunities right here. Meron dito mga dumadating na mga magagandang oportunidad sa pagdating sa trabaho wherein nakita ko na, ayan o, dumoble, diba, yung hawak mo na coin. So, ibig sabihin, nakikita ko rito na umaangat yung pera mo. But this is pentacles, these are coins, ibig sabihin these are slow moving pero steady. Yan, so ibig sabihin yung progress mo ay steady. Yun Gemini. So yeah, I love it. Okay, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, na parang kung hindi ikaw to, meron ditong someone na gustong mag-offer sa'yo ng something serious, something solid. This could be a friend because I'm hearing that this person could be already in your life. Okay? So, whoever this individual is, this individual could be a friend, could be a kapitbahay, could be someone you already know for quite a long time now. So, meron siyang i-offer dito. Okay? Actually, not really love relationship yung nakukuha ko agad-agad. So, this could be somewhat platonic at first. Pwedeng yung offer na yan is pwedeng dahil nga na-attract mo ngayon na maraming opportunities when it comes to work or your stability, money, coins, pentacles. Maaring yung offer niya sa'yo is yung offer na pwedeng magpalago pa more or expansion ng money mo. Okay? And others, this could lead into romantic relationship with this person. Siguro at first, partnership with work. This could be a business partner right here, but doesn't have to be applicable na papunta ito talaga sa relationship. But this is something na offer na pwede mong pagkatiwalaan. Okay? Kasi this is someone you already know. And I think this person is close to you. Yan. Okay? Matagal mo nang kilala, I think. Yeah. You start to have control in your life. Kaya pala interesante yung mga chismosa pag-usapan ng buhay mo. Yan, no? Because you're having the stability. 4 is really standing out. 4 is the strong number of stability. And I can see, mga babes, that this is you planning, okay, for expansion, planning on how to improve your finances because of this opportunity, okay, that comes your way or that will eventually paparating pa lang sa inyo, Gemini. You really have the control. This is you, nakikita ko rito na parang, hindi mo naman sinasabi na parang naaksaya yung mga oportunidad mo before, but I can see na mas determinado ka ngayon, mas persevere ka ngayon, no, na maging more diligent, maging more hardworking, at mas talagang pag-ibayuhin na, mag-focus na sa paglago ng pera. Yan. So, this is you, pwedeng nagkikreate ka na ng something stable, no, sa mind mo. Nagpaplano ka na. I can see you planning here. Okay? I can see you that this is you trying to build a business or habang nagwo-work ka, may business ka rin yung ganun. I can see you expanding your money. Planning. Okay? Something big into this new opportunity that you are holding right now. See? Diba? You make it doubled. Yun. Nakita ko dito. So, wow, pa-asenso ka pala, kaya pala ganun. They have here the 10 of Swords energy and there's this 4 of Wands energy. I can see your life will change right here. I can see that this is from rags to riches kind of thing. Okay? I'm picking that up. So, with the 10 of Swords energy, excuse me, 4 of Wands, I can see that this is your life really changing. I can see you struggling talaga. Magbabago yan dahil of your hard work. Dahil because of your hard work. Excuse me. Yung throat ko. So, yeah. So, going back right here, nakikita ka rito that your family, buhay ng family mo, family nyo, ikaw, okay, your loved ones right here, your life will change right here. This is you really eager, no, na magbago yung, tsaka siguro, yung mga chismosa na yun, no, kasi parang nakukuha ko sa kanila, parang ang tagal na nilang ganyan sa buhay mo, dami nilang sausaw, diba? So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng may mga hanash rin sila sa inyo or sa family members ninyo rito, no, kaya pinatatamaan nilang ganyan, okay? This is you, na siguro at first, you want to show these people na kaya nyong umangat, okay? So, maybe these people also belittles you or your family, right here. So, I can see that whatever it is that you're imagining, this is a mansion, this is a castle in the background. Okay, so ibig sabihin, this is your life upgrading. This is you and your family, your loved ones celebrating. So this is success. Okay? These are my apat na tukod ng table. So ibig sabihin, Gemini, nakikita ko rito na you are building some kind of a support. Okay? So, parang support system for your family right here. I can see your life will really change here. Kaya pala na pag-uusapan, no? Kasi unti-unti, parang nagmabago dito yung buhay mo. At first, nakikita ko, you want to show these people, no? Na kaya nyo ring umangat ng pamilya mo rito or na kaya nyo ritong umangat at hindi kayo umaasa sa iba. Kasi alam nyo naman, pag chismis, rumors, diba? Dagdag bawas na yan. Minsan yung iba hindi na totoo. Diba? Para lang talaga may maikwento rito. Oh, talaga pre? Oh, di nga talaga sis. Ganun. Diba? Giging yung mga para ma-excite yung mga kakwentuhan mo. Diba? Ganun sila, dagdag bawas na. Diba? Para ma-entertain mga babes, no? Yung mga kwentuhan nila. Nagsuutang pa sila dun sa tapat ng tindahan. Diba? Ay, may cornic nga. Tsaka cook sakto nga dyan. Yan. Tatlayin mo na kasi may darating pang mga chismosa. Yan, diba? So, mga ganun mga babes. So, kaya mo lang sila, kagaya ng ginagawa mo. Maybe because you're really tired. dealing with these people. They're just draining your energy. You're focusing here on your stability, work, money, and pentacles, and changing your family's life. Yun. Yeah, and with the High Priestess, no, this is you listening to your intuition, connecting to your higher self. I can see you here, focus here on your intentions. Yeah, I'm getting that intentions. Okay, maybe you're manifesting as well. And this is you, okay, protecting your energy. Nilalaan mo lang yan. And this is you, I'm also seeing you na pwedeng ikaw ay maka-Diyos, madasalin ka rin, regardless of your religion. Wala tayong religion dito, but because of your belief and because you have God with you, there's faith in you. Okay, pananampalataya, pananalig mo, yan ang mas pinagpupukusan mo dito. Yeah, Queen of Cups energy, very intuitive, very intuitive. So this is you connecting to your higher intuition, connecting to your higher self, Gemini, right here. Whatever it is that you're doing, you're giving your energy, okay, to the things na dapat mong i-prioritize. Yeah. See, temperance is here. So, I'm seeing you being patient right here with the mga chismosa. But I'm seeing you more patient in improving your life, and you're not rushing going to success right here. It's like unti-unti pero steady. Okay? Unti-unti pero papunta ka sa success. So, claim these beautiful messages for you, Gemini. Thank you so much. Sharing your love and life. Annyeong.